Hi everyone, I'm Jared.
I'm Jordan.
And this is JJ Cruise. We just got off Oasis of the Seas and we have our cabin stateroom tour readily available for you. It's an interior room on the brand new Amplified Oasis of the Seas from Royal Caribbean.
It was pretty nice.
It was very nice. So with this, before you get into this video, before you get into this tour, please like this video, subscribe to our channel. We do cruise videos, so if you love cruises, you'll love our videos. So with that, enjoy this tour.
Alright, this is a cabin tour, stateroom tour. Our room is 11547. Just walked in. You can see there's a couple of hooks up here on the left hand side with your mini bar, stateroom beverage order form. You do have a couple different shelves here as well as some pamphlets and reading material down below. On the right hand side, you'll have a glass mirror, full size, so you can get ready at night, in the morning, whenever you like, as well as a thermostat to keep it cool like we like, or a little bit warmer, as well as multiple light functions, including a master switch and multiple unique lighting options. To give an example of the lighting options, it actually dims to where you can have just these picture frame lights, which we really enjoyed for ambiance, as well as this mirror shot, perfect for getting ready with makeup or any other close-ups. I'm gonna turn on the main light again. On the left hand side over here, as you can see, there are two cabinets, one long tall cabinet, and you can see here this cabinet does have space at the top but is not very deep. We found this to be perfect for very small items like sunglasses, but not available for any clothing options. This also goes for the one below, or there's two shelves. As you can see, below are some of the outlet options, including international version that we don't use in the US. But on top, there are 3 prongs and 3 of the 3-prong outlets. As I mentioned, the mirror light is right here beside it, and that turns off the light for the mirror. We do have one main shelf up here with tissues. We took the tissues off and put them on the main desk. As you can see here, this is going to be a pop-out television, so you can move it however you like, out to the left, to the right, or back in place. And we have 3 drawers down here. The top drawer is quite small. That's where your hair dryer is found. You can take that out for the rest of the trip. The other 2 are much deeper. This on the right is the mini fridge. There's no room in here besides that to keep something cold. Most likely not too much. On the right hand side, as you can see here, there's a table. That's just a small table, an end table if you want. You can move it around as we did throughout your stay to give you more space wherever you need. There's a couch. Rather spacious interior room, even though we didn't get a spacious interior. This is just what we find a little bit larger than some of the others, or it feels a little bit more roomy, but the space is limited. As you can see in the closet here, we have some shelving up top, and on the right hand side as a column, a safe in one of them. But in total, we have 4 on top, 2 on bottom, and this kind of middle open shelf as well. We always ask for robes now that we are Crown and Anchor Society members with high enough status, but you can always ask for more hangers as well from your stateroom attendant, which we did as well. In this closet, as you can see, there is good enough space, and you do have another rack, as you can see here. However, when you have a lot of different suitcases and luggage, it's going to be hard to really utilize that rack because you need a space for those suitcases that don't fit under the bed. Now, for the space by the bed, there are two lights, one on the right, one on the left, but on the right hand side, or when you're asleep on the left hand side, are the main light switches. So it is very nice at night. You don't have to get all the way up and go across the room. There is a phone right there, as well as 3 shelves, 2 underneath the main tabletop, and that's the same on the left hand side as well. As you can see, a couple of water bottles left over. We found the bed to be very comfortable, and no problems there. For the bathroom, first and foremost, you do have 3 hooks at the top here. Great for drying any swimsuits or towels. You do see you have 2 towel racks up here. I highly recommend bringing hanging bags for your bath bags, because you can hang them a lot of places here on Oasis of the Seas. You do have 2 additional hooks there, just like I mentioned, perfect for hanging bags. Up here on the mirror, you can see that there is a main light up here. What we really liked about this is it stayed on throughout the night, and the fact that it was very dim, so that if anyone needed to use the restroom, it wasn't going to wake anyone up by the brightness, but it also wasn't going to shock anyone in their slumber. You can see you do have some outlets over there as well. 3 main shelves, 1, 2, 3, all of which you can see have little bars that can be held for hooks, 2 main glasses, and then a very small pop-out drawer. As you can see below here, there is actually a space here underneath the sink for a trash can and an additional shelf. Down below, you'll always find your towel for your the floor for showering, as well as your toilet paper, sanitary disposal, another trash can, and a second roll in case if you run out before a stateroom attendant comes. The toilet here, as you can see, is very normal with what you would find in most staterooms with Royal Caribbean. And last but not least, the shower. The shower was great. We had no problems with the shower. You do have 2 hooks in there, so help for drying. No clothesline like you see in some of the older ships, but those are perfect for drying some additional items. There's a little shelf over there, hair and body wash 2-in-1, and you can see here enough space to go ahead and shower off of any size. So that is a stateroom tour. Thanks for watching.
Wow, what a great tour. It was a fun tour. It was very end of our cruise. We were very rushed, but at the same time, it was very informative because there are so many different things you can do now that you know what the stateroom looks like.
True. We hope that you can see kind of how many clothes you can probably fit into those spaces and into those teeny tiny drawers.
And I love that ambient lighting.
Oh, that was nice.
So nice.
I do miss that. We need to get that here at home.
We do need that here at home. So with that, thanks so much for joining us. Like this video, subscribe to our channel. We want to provide even more videos for you about cruising and our love for cruising. So with that, thanks so much.
Bye.
Bye.